Oh, look at these two. All right, come on. You're okay? Oh, what? Either they're having an affair or they're just very shy. I'm not quite sure.
It's so ironic. It's so crazy because your boy even said it. Yo, either they having an affair or they shy. Nah, you had it right the first time, brother. So they have been talking about this on every single last news outlet, the radio. It's all over social media. I done forgot what was popular before all of this stuff was going on. Did you get a chance to see this CEO situation happen or whatever?
No, no, I have not seen that before. This is the first time seeing this thing.
They done outed these people, man. When I tell you their LinkedIn account has been spread all over Facebook, that's like, yeah, they pulled up their LinkedIn profile, both of them, and was sharing us, was contacting their spouses and stuff. The CEO, his wife, has deactivated her social media pages. I know she deactivated her Instagram. I think something like her Facebook too, because of the DMs and stuff that she was getting from all of this stuff, man. Yo, social media, man. They always want to claim and say that social media is out here ruining relationships. No, stupid mofo's is out here ruining relationships. You're the CEO of a company, and she's the HR in that company, right? She was in the HR office or whatever, and y'all are out here at a very very public event together, up there hugging up with each other like that's your wife and that's your husband. You can't get mad at nobody else but your damn self. Like, what sense does this make? What would you would have recommend them to do in this situation?
Not cheat.
Valid point, valid point. But wouldn't it have been better, right, if they would have just leaned in instead of act this way? Because when you start acting like this, you're acting suspicious. That's just like somebody walk into a room and you hurry up and put your hands behind your back. What's going on? What you got going on here, man? So, let me tell you something. You got to know how to play stuff off. Because I think if they would have just gave a kiss, then I don't think that it would have gotten nowhere near as much attention as it did.
Yeah, I believe
Because
that.
when you start ducking, dodging, getting out of the way of the camera and everything, everybody's starting to speculate. What the hell? Why are you acting so weird? Why are you acting so weird around me? Like, what did that say? Don't be weird with me. Man, I'm telling you. Yeah, I don't think it would have been as big if them two would have just leaned in for a kiss. Just go ahead and get it out the way, my boy. Go ahead and get it out the way. Well, we had to get that out the way, man, because that's pretty much been the topic of everything. Man. Everybody's been talking about it. At the end of the day, you definitely shouldn't be out here messing around on your husband
Ow.
or your wife, and then thinking that it's just sweet. And yo, bro, what better way to find out about a doggone situation than like this? Now you have ruined your relationship, your marriage. You done broke up your doggone family, possibly, and you done end like this is gonna completely wreck your career. CEO, HR, I don't give a damn what you do. It's gonna be hard for either one of them to get a job because as a CEO, you're literally the face of the business as the CEO. Your job, your entire life is that company. Your face, you're the brand. And when you do something like that, man, that's it. That's a wrap, man. There is no way in the world any company will put you back into a position like that after, or if they do end up parting ways with this young man. Because what sense does that make? Like, yeah, unless you know what I'm saying, go and get with a company like Trojan a condom, wear protection. That's the only thing I can think of. Something they got to do with sex. Only, maybe. That's it. You done messed up, brother.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.